Push it. Push, 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 push. Keluar mama. Oh ya deh. Sojana mo? Oh sojana na. Awal gap. Monkey beans. Pizza gemuk yang gen na. Yarang Spanish ba. Spanish girl ba. Yarang deh. Spanish girl.
Tao ni nun thai no.
Girl girl. I see the patient fruit sa injo. Wah, mak aku ne. Come, mami. Come. Let's go, yeah. Today is their last outing before the school opens. Since it rains for so many days, they are fed up of staying home indoors. So this time we are taking them out for an outing before the school opens.
Gardening.
Next week. Yeah, outing means like gardening. Yes, you are right. Well, this looks like a gate. Very nice. Remela ni apa ni? Hai, mama. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Slowly and steady, we'll win the race. Anh sinh chào tao con? Anh sinh à?
Alo.
Aro mày hả? Balwa gak swa?
Oke.
Aro quiet dong apa mo? It's very quiet and fresh air. So next week your school will be opening. You are happy or not?
Yes.
Yes, I know because you are bored staying home, especially when it's rainy. So this time you are out, taking them out to the beautiful place, jungle, garden, country roads. Emily, don't cross the road, slippery, okay, come? Be careful.
Wah, siapa?
Cisla ba mo?
Aku na sekarang ada.
Aha.
Papa ini ada.
Kasnan ka sinjan.
Ini minna. Ini kasih ada.
There. Oh, amla is still there. See? Those amla. Oh, daw nang pasa. Yeah, this black pepper is alive only. The one we planted last month, I think. Yeah, this one also is alive. Yeah, but alive. This is also alive. Yeah, Pomor is alive. Yeah, this is also alive. This is also alive. You just climb here, okay? Tanging ada na? Padia? Mai baba? Kau man gan bada oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a very big leaf. It's alive. Yeah, ba? This is also alive. It's gonna climb like this, like this. Oh, there's the sunlight. Let's go. Sinsak po, ate. Iya mah ya.
Ya kak. Ya pool.
Oh, Ana song, mommy? Wow. Let's go.
Hi.
Hmm? So you got one. Nina. Oh. Alam natin mat na hada alde. Hi. What is this?
Possum we use.
Possum. Possum. How do you eat this?
We will eat with beef.
All the leaves.
Yes.
How about this roots, you know?
We will
Only the
also
leaves.
eat- Yeah.
Only leaves. Oh, how is it?
a
Is it
herbs.
it's kind of a herb.
Yeah.
Is it sour or just normal?
Sour.
Quite
Normal.
sour?
Nope.
Oh no, not sour. Okay.
We are back.
We are back.